The Clayton High rebuild project remains on schedule, with the main building's foundations and ground floor slabs poured, metal decking underway on the upper floors, and steel roof trusses currently being installed. Masonry work continues around the gym and cafeteria to prepare for the next phase of steelwork, while main utility lines are in the final stages of testing. Work is also progressing on the parking lots and drive lanes for the upcoming school year, and the football storage building is on track for the 2026 football season following recent brick, roofing, and interior installations. Looking ahead, Phase 1 is slated for substantial completion on November 19, 2027, followed by the demolition of the old school in January 2028, with overall project completion targeted for August 2028.